Guys, we're back. We're doing it real quick. I hate what I'm going to use right now. It's so annoying, but let's brush it in. Girl does and follows what she needs. Like, this is not clickbait channel. So, let's get onto my eyes. And I need to hurry because I don't think I have a lot of time for you. I think we're gonna use the brush side because it's pink in the last video. Because if you've seen the last video, go check it out. It's spelled wonky. That looks okay. I'm using the camera so that it doesn't. Now I have my lip stuff. So let's put all. And in this one, you might not see my dog. Last one you ward off. You're sitting behind me. If you could even see that girly. Right there. Right there, right there. So cute. Get that out of there. And now let's do this. It's cherry blossom. I love the smell. So good. It's delicious. And you go, not too fancy. And she's gonna rub it on her face, though it stings. And now she's gonna put it back. Now she's gonna do the perfume. Yo, she has a nice yellow shirt on, like she loves. Yo, now we need to blend it all in. Go. That stings. I think your girl did it. Actually, doesn't look as bad as I thought. Your girl done with it. She actually looks mastery cute. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys watch part 1. It's spelled MAYKUP like this video is. Say bye, Daisy. Bye.